Well, thank you for tuning in today. Today I'm going to be bringing you your literacy lesson, and we're going to be using insects, and we're going to be doing a compare and contrast activity. So as you can see here, I have created a Venn diagram. We've got one circle over here and a ladybug, and over here we have a bee, and you'll notice that the two circles connect. Now, as with a Venn diagram, the area where the circles connect are the things that are similar or the same, and the areas to your right and to your left are just specific to what it is you're talking about. So this week, since we're talking about insects, I figured why not pick two of those insects. So today we're going to talk about a ladybug and we're going to talk about a bee. And we're going to discuss what is the same and what is different about them. So let's take a closer look at the picture of our ladybug and notice some of the things we see. We see on the ladybug, we see its body parts. We see its red outer wings. We see its spots and its antennas there. And here's a fun fact about ladybugs that some people don't realize, is that ladybugs actually have two sets of wings. They have a harder outer shell, which are usually red in color, but sometimes they can actually be yellow or orange depending upon where you live. Around here we have red ones. So they have red outer shells, and then when they open up their wings, they actually have thin, what we call transparent, almost see-through wings. Now over here, let's talk about a bee. For a bee, you see its body parts there, you see its wings, you also see its antennas and its legs. And remember that in order to be an insect, you have to have 6 legs, along with a few other things as well. So let's talk about today what are some things that are the same about a ladybug and a bee. And we're going to write those here in the middle. So when we're thinking about a ladybug and a bee, we of course know that they are both insects. So here in the middle, and again I'm outside since it's such a nice day, I'm going to write the word insects in the middle to show that that is something that's the same. Well, because they're insects, that also means that they have wings. Because in order to be an insect, you must have 2 sets of wings. In addition, they also have 6 legs. They're going to have 3 on each side of their body. And then they also have antennas, or they're often called feelers. And they can use these to feel for nectar and food. So some of the things same about a ladybug and a bee are that they're both insects, they have wings, they have 6 legs, and they have antennas. Now let's talk for a second about what does a ladybug have that a bee does not. Now a ladybug, yes, it has wings, yes, it has legs. We can't really see those in the picture, but they're there. But one of the things that we'll notice that's different is the color. On the ladybug, it is red in color, so we're going to write red. Now, also on the ladybug, you'll notice that it has spots, so I'm going to write the word spots here. So a ladybug is red with spots. Now let's talk for a second about a bee and some things that are specific to a bee. A bee, you'll notice its color is yellow, so I'm going to write yellow here. Now also looking at this, you'll notice it does not have spots. Instead, it has stripes. So I'm going to write stripes here. So you'll see that a bee is yellow and has stripes. So these are some of the things that are different between a ladybug and a bee. So again, ladybug, red with spots. Bee, yellow with stripes. The same, they're insects, they have wings, 6 legs, and antennas. So this week you're actually going to be asked to do a compare and contrast activity with some of your materials in your literacy activities. So I hope that this helps you in that activity. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks so much.